about this question for 5 seconds. Alright, this is the human heart. There are 2 types of cavities in the heart, ventricle and atrium. 2 ventricles and 2 atria in each heart. We also have 2 types of vessels, arteries and veins. Let's go and see what each of these are. The upper 2 chambers are the atria and the lower 2 are the ventricles. The chambers are separated by a wall of tissue called the septum. Blood is pumped through the chambers, aided by 4 heart valves. We'll talk about this in front sessions. The valves open and close to let the blood flow in only one direction. Ventricles pump the blood to the arteries and atria collect the blood from veins. The arteries exit the ventricles and the veins enter the atria. So in here, we have the right atrium here, the right ventricle here, the left atrium here, and finally the left ventricle here. Now let's talk about vessels. First, let's talk about veins. Here we have 2 large veins. First one is superior vena cava and the next one is inferior vena cava, which collect poor oxygenated blood from organs and carry it to right atrium. After that we have 4 pulmonary veins, 2 from each lung, which drain high oxygenated blood in the left atrium. Because of this, they are shown in red. Now about arteries. First we have aorta, which leaves from left ventricle. This is the main artery in the body, which delivers high oxygenated blood to the organs. After that, we have continuation of aorta, which is called descending aorta. Finally, we have pulmonary artery, which is divided into 2 parts after exiting from right ventricle, and each part will go to one lung. It carries oxygenated blood. So in general, the veins drain the blood to the atria and the arteries draw blood from ventricle. Also, we have coronary veins and arteries, which we'll talk about later. Arteries can have both high oxygenated and low oxygenated blood. Veins too. So the arteries don't always have red blood and the veins don't always have dark blood. Answer time. Aorta is an artery, so it leaves the heart, but other choices are vein and they enter the heart.